In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Costco's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up our web browser, head on over to Costco.com. Now from here, you can notice once you're on their website, there's a chat box down here. You can click into the chat box, and now this is online support. So you can ask to speak to a customer service rep or a customer support rep. Another way to find customer support is to scroll all the way down the bottom of the page, so near the bottom here, and now look for where it says About Us. So click on About Us to expand more, and then you click on the Contact Us button here, and now it will say how can we help. So we can scroll down from here. If we got any online inquiries, we can contact our member care team on this number here, or reach out to us via the support bubble on the bottom right. And if you got any media inquiries, you can reach them on this number here as well, and they've got more information about their business or contact details below here, as you can see.